noise when going straight ahead,
Okay.
making right-hand turns,
Okay.
and the noise goes away when you make a left-hand turn.
All right. Okay. Yeah, that's a little interesting. So what we think happened here is when they were taking the brake rotor off, they a lot of times these seize and you have to hit them with a hammer. And we're thinking somebody got a little eager with the hammer and bent the hub. So we're going to take the brakes off and take a look at what's underneath. This thing must have been making so much noise going down there. Does it pulsate badly as well?
Yeah.
Wow. Is this a new customer? What about the other side? Just this side? He's trying to find a place to mount the runout gauge right now. What we're going to do right now is we're going to head over to the brake lathe, throw the rotor on the brake lathe, and just spin it up and take a look at it and see what it looks like.
Petrified mouse.
Hello.
You find under the rhythm card. Which one that?
Under the spot shield on that Civic.
Okay, what are we going to do with this car, Terry?
Recommend that the car go back to the custom, to the where work was done, because I think it's going to need a front hub and one rotor.
All right, we're going to have the customer contact the facility that he had the brakes done, and I suspect they're here because they've already done that and they haven't got resolution, as we're sort of performing the second opinion, so to speak. So we'll give them a call and see what they say, but definitely not drivable in that condition.